Compact Azipod, the new propulsion system with a power range from 400 kilowatts up to 5 megawatts aimed at ferries, dredgers, and offshore vessels. The unit comprises 4 distinct parts: the steering gear, the strut with pod tail cone, the motor section, and the nose cone propeller. Unlike the single or double-wound AC motor of conventional Azipod concept, the compact Azipod unit incorporates a permanent magnet synchronous motor and therefore has no cooling on the rotor, while the stator is cooled by convection to the surrounding seawater. A frequency converter provides accurate speed and torque control. CRP Azipod, the combination of the shaft-driven main propeller and the podded propulsor located on the same axis, but without any physical connection. The arrangement works as the contra-rotating propellers and is said to give an improvement of over 10% in hydrodynamic efficiency for an ultra-large container ship. Back gouging, the removal of weld metal and base metal from the weld root side of a welded joint to facilitate complete fusion and complete joint penetration upon subsequent welding from that side. See also gouging. Backhaul, the return movement of a means of transport providing a transport service in one direction. Back pressure, the pressure existing on the exhaust side of a system, e.g., the pressure opposing the motion of an engine piston during its exhaust stroke. Backing, a material or device placed against the backside of the joint or at both sides of a weld in electroslag and electrogas welding to support and retain molten weld metal. The material may be partially fused or remain unfused during welding and may be either metal or non-metal. Backing pass, backing weld, a weld pass made for a backing weld. Backing ring, backing in the form of a ring generally used in the welding pipe. Backup navigator, any individual, generally an officer, who has been designated by the vessel master to be on call if assistance is needed on the bridge. Baffle plate, a plate used to direct fluid flow, example the hot gases in a boiler furnace or the oil in a sump tank. Bagged cargo, various kinds of commodities usually packed in sacks or in bags such as sugar, cement, milk powder, onion, grain, flour, etc. Balance ratio, the ratio of the blade area situated forward of the rudder stock to the total rudder blade area. Bale capacity, bale cubic, the cubic capacity of a cargo hold measured to the inside of the frames or cargo battens. Ballast, any solid or liquid weight placed in a ship to increase the draft, to change the trim, or to regulate the stability. Ballast water is allocated during a voyage to accommodate changes in the distribution of cargo and consumables, and in response to operational requirements such as draft limitations.